Good day everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to edit your website from Weebly. So you log into your Weebly account. If you don't have one, just create one. It's free. And then you can, for me I already have an account, as you can see. It's free. And then I have to come to edit site. So my account is about learning, teaching 2 3s, and I have to create things that are interesting to those classes, grade 1 to grade 3. So I'll be teaching them different things from classes, and that's what into my website. One thing I will give you as a tip is that every time you need to make sure that you publish your work. Okay, so that's how my page looks. That's where you find things about my classes. That's where you will find out about what's going to happen in my classes. So for now, it still has other things about food because I haven't edited it. And that's when I will show you how to edit it. So first of all, I inserted the picture. First of all, I chose the theme before the picture. Go to the theme. And then you can either change the theme or just stay with the same one. There are types of themes. There's business, portfolio, personal, events, and blogs. I will close. Okay. So on your website you will find buttons like these ones, or different types of buttons that you can use. And always publish your work, as I have said. So I will click on this, or to show, okay. Just to show you how I created all those buttons. So I'll be exploring with you as I'm also learning. As you can see, this computer is taking its own dear time. Okay, so I went to my menu button and you see things like grade 1, grade 2, other classes I'll be catering for. And so to get the buttons, I went to products. Inside I'll be putting the materials and everything that the grade 1s will be needing, and the grade 2s I'll do likewise. So when you press the button, you're going to find the materials inside and every other thing that the grade 2s or grade 3s each grade will be needing. Okay, so I'm seeing here I have to put something there. Okay, so you go to galleries, you add this button, and in the galleries we're supposed to see some pictures, because I did add some pictures of my friends when we had a Bible school in a village in South Africa. So that was me teaching the kids how to speak English. This is the last page where you see the name, where you say your name and your surname and your email address, and you comment what you want us to help you with your with the classes, and then you submit it, and we'll be able to come back to the person through their email. Instead of us giving our personal details out, we prefer that people give us their details. Alright, that will be it for today. Thank you very much.